My name is Ashley McCoy, and I'm from Orlando, Florida. My experience as a MAPS client has been, I want to say, mind-blowing in a sense. It's been eye-opening, refreshing. It has really expanded my business having that person there for me to really give me strategies and ideas on how to grow my business. My productivity has, I want to say, tripled, to be honest. I've been in MAPS coaching almost 3 years now, and so if I go back to my third year before, today it would have tripled in volume and in GCI from before. MAPS have given me an opportunity to have a person to be there for me with support, giving me that sense of a push, that coach that you need to excel your business to the next level. So MAPS have been more than special for me and my business and the growth, not just in my business, but also personally as well. I would say someone else should consider it because it's always good to have that expert, I guess to say, to be there for you, to support your business when you get to that stumbling block, having someone to really say, do this, try this, push you here. It's always good to have that person to really get you to that next level with your business.